I got to know about White Swan through Google. So after visiting White Swan, I really had a very grateful experience over here with the doctors and with the staff. The doctor over here, Mr. Ravi, is very helpful, and he was always available on the phone. Like overall, I had a very great experience during my hair transplant. The doctors were very friendly, and staff over here is also very friendly. And about my hair transplant experience, first they gave me a local anesthesia, and the doctor always used to concern about whether I'm feeling pain or not feeling pain. So after my hair transplant was done, I was on the medication for 7 days, and I didn't feel a bit also of pain after my hair transplant was done. So overall, my hair transplant I had a good experience. I had a lot of hair fall before. Looking for hair transplant in Mysore, I would definitely suggest them to visit this place called White Swan, which is in Kalidasa Road. Thank you.